Hey everyone, welcome back again to your Unacademy NEET English channel. And here I'm HSP, your HSP Baba, the 10 frequently asked questions. And these are really mind blowing, most challenging questions based on GOC. And 99% students, they are going to get negative marks in these questions. See why. So here is question number 1. You can see very clearly simple carbocations are given, and these carbocations you can see in class 12th chapter number 1, haloalkanes, haloarenes, that the NCERT has given the question: arrange the following in decreasing order for the rate of SN1 reaction. And you know that SN1 reaction proceeds with the formation of carbocation. So let's see the stability of carbocation. Just pause the video and try to find out what should be answer. Now let me help you. This is having 9 alpha hydrogen atoms. Tertiary butyl carbocation. This is having 3 and 2, 5 alpha hydrogen atoms. This is secondary butyl. Now this is having just 1 alpha hydrogen atom, and this is normal butyl is having 2 alpha hydrogen atoms. You can see out of these 4 there is no resonance. So what do you think? What should be your answer? Definitely everyone must be saying A, then B, and then D, then C. Your answer must be like this: A, B, D, C. This is the answer 99.99% students are going to give. But this answer is absolutely wrong. Examiner will give you 0 marks. According to our studies, whatever we have studied, that more the number of alpha hydrogen atoms, more will be the hyperconjugation, more will be the number of hyperconjugative structures, and more will be the stability. But kids, in this question there is a twist. See, the correct answer is A, then B, then C, and then D. This is the correct answer, kids. A, B, C, D. In this C and D, the hyperconjugation fails and inductive effect dominates. This compound is known as beta branching. What is beta branching? You can just see that at this place there is one alkyl group, at this place there is one alkyl group, and they are giving electrons through plus I. So there are 2 alkyl groups and there is only one alkyl group. Here in this case, inductive effect plus I dominates over hyperconjugation, and that's why this is the correct answer and this is wrong answer. And the answer is given in your NCERT. Number of students, they are thinking that it's given wrong in the NCERT. From the last 23 years, I'm telling you this thing. And 4 years back, IIT has asked this question twice. Now see kids, if this is your answer, then 100% you are right. Now, question number 2. Arrange the following in order of stability. This is really awesome question. If any IIT student is there, then definitely I will say who is going to be more stable. But first of all, pause the video. Everyone, try to find out the answer. What's your answer? Okay, now I'm going to tell you. For NEET students, the answer is A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. This is the answer for NEET students. But for IIT students, let me tell you, this is the answer for NEET students. NEET. Now, if I say for IIT students, answer will be B, A, C, D. Now you will say, sir, what is this? IIT and NEET. Kids, let me tell you, this question has been asked in IIT 15 years back and in NEET 2 times. Better to say All India and Punjab PMT. And benzyl was given to be the best answer and the most stable. Now kids, it happens. There's a better to say it's a long story about tertiary butyl and benzyl, kids. Don't go for that. I will let you know some other time. Now, right now, benzyl is stabilized by resonance. See to it. This is this order I have written for IIT students, right? This is for NEET. Now, kids, just see to it. This is your benzyl. It is having non-equivalent resonating structures. But here is no resonance. And here is two equivalent resonating structures. If I would not have been the teacher, I must have said that this is forming two equivalent resonating structure and this is forming five non-equivalent resonating structures. So this is going to be the most stable, then this resonance, and then hyperconjugation, and then at the last this one. But kids, everything is not you are going to answer with the rules, because rules are getting failed over here because of there is one field effect and one solvation effect, and these two effects disturbs the stability of carbocation, and that's why number of students, even though they are just putting their best efforts, they are not able to get the correct answer. Kids, do remember this benzyl is maximum stable for NEET students, then tertiary butyl, and this allyl, and then this isopropyl. So this is the correct order A, B, C, D. Is it clear to all of you? I hope that it's very much clear to each and everyone. Now question number 3. Now see, first you try to find out what's your answer. Everyone, just try your all the best to find out the answer. Now kids, this is allyl. This is being allyl. And that is being benzyl. Now kids, in case of carbocation, benzyl carbocation was more stable and allyl was less stable. But do remember, the benzyl free radical and the allyl free radical, they have got exactly same stability. But yes, this has got a little bit more stability. Till now, neither IIT nor medical, that is NEET, they have asked this question. But yes, by chance if they are going to ask this question, then this is more stable than that, because whenever it is going to form, the allyl is formed easily. It has more formation tendency, or you can say less bond dissociation energy of that bond from which it has been formed. So the answer is once again A, then B, then C, then D. There was twist in between A and B only. Now see, whether for IIT or for NEET, for both, this is the correct answer. There is no chaos, there is no ambiguity, nothing. So although A and B's stability is approximately too much close, but yes, this is the correct answer. Now see, another question. Just try to find out. This is super easy question. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Super easy question. Here is ortho effect. You know ortho effect. If you know ortho effect, easily you can do this question. It is simple most question. But yes, this ortho effect generally most often doesn't come to individual's mind. That's why they are going to get failed. A, B, C, and D. This is the correct answer. This is the acidic strength order. Now let's come to the question number 5. Now kids, just try your brain, find out the answer. Now, if by chance over here also you are going to apply ortho effect, you will get failed. In phenol, there is no ortho effect. No ortho effect. So once again, the answer is A, B, C, and D. So how to learn it? You have to cram it. Yes, cramming is required. Pom, 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 pom. Para, then ortho, then meta, and then carbolic acid. Phenol is also known as car. carbolic acid. Now, why it is like that? See, kids, I'm not like God. I'm also a human being, a teacher. If by chance I don't know the data, I must have said that definitely this is going to be most acidic because yes, mesomeric effect minus M and minus I, more minus I. See, mesomeric effect minus M effect of this and minus M effect of this, both are having same amount of minus M effect because resonance does not depend on distance. So both are having same minus M effect. It is having more minus I because inductive effect is distance dependent. So according to me, according to 99% students, this has to be more acidic. And by chance, in the examination hall, if you're not able to recall whether ortho effect is there in phenol or not, then definitely you are going to put this is the correct answer. But this is wrong, my dear students. Now, question arises why this is not having ortho effect. See, only one atom is being large, but in benzoic acid, COOH, three atoms are large. So it is just having one atom large. Now, why it is less than that para 1? Because of chelation, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, it is little bit less acidic. If I say practically, its pK value is 7.14. See how much slight difference is there, and its pK value is 7.24. Can you see 7.14 and 7.24? Very, very minute differences there. It is 8.34 pK value, and this is 9.9, that is approximately 10. So once again, this is the answer. See what I questions, how much homework I have done, kids, and see really the most mind-blowing questions. Oh, once again, it's fabulous question. Outstanding question, kids. Just try to find out what should be the answer. Now, after giving answers of 5 questions, one thing is very clear in your brain, that sir, all they are in sequence only. So definitely, according to you, this should be the answer. Yes, kids. This is the basic strength. This is being maximum basic. See why? First of all, let me tell you, in aniline, there is no ortho effect. They all are aniline, but this is dialkylated aniline. This is being dialkylated aniline. One atom is bigger, one atom. Just like benzoic acid, at least three atoms are bigger. So it is having ortho effect. So due to ortho effect, there is SIR. What is SIR? Steric inhibition in resonance. So steric inhibition in resonance, that means its lone pair has become localized. It can't participate in resonance with the benzene. So easily it will be attacked by proton. SIR means steric inhibition. Steric inhibition and resonance. Steric inhibition and resonance. Now see, this is most basic. Due to ortho effect. Due to ortho effect, nitrogen's lone pair has gone out of plane. That means it has become localized, cannot participate in the resonance with the benzene, but all rest of other nitrogen's lone pair is delocalized because they all are aniline. So delocalized, delocalized, delocalized. Now kids, let me tell you, if I would not have been the teacher, I must have given out of these three that to be the most basic. Really, personally speaking, kids, out of these three, if I apply my brain, I must have given this to be the most basic. But not only the electron density is the one reason, there is also another reason, that is known as steric factor. Now kids, in this case, the proton can attack from this side, from this side, from this side. Proton can attack from 3 sides. But here, this side is blocked. From this side and this side, two sides proton can attack. And then this, both the sides are blocked, means they are the bodyguard. They will say, oh, I will not allow you proton to attack on this from this side and this side. Only one side proton can attack. Kids, you must have studied chemical kinetics. So two things are required for a reaction to take place. One is being speed, that the energy factor, and another one is being the orientation factor. So this is getting more chance. Proton can attack from three sides. So this is having least steric hindrance for the proton to attack on it. Although out of these three, this is having maximum electron density. If I talk about on the basis of electron density, then this should have to be the most basic, but we should have to have knowledge of two things. Not only the electronic factor is going to decide, along with electronic factor, there is one more factor, that is steric factor. So that is known as, let me tell you, this is having maximum SIP. What is this SIP? Maximum SIP. This is new word. There is SIR. You have studied steric inhibition in resonance, but this is SIP. What is this SIP? Steric inhibition for protonation. So this is having maximum SIP and this is having least SIP. So here, experimentally determined, this is more basic than that. So this is maximum basic, then this, then this. Once again, the order is found to be A, B, C, D. See kids, not only the brain you can apply, you have to know the experimental data also. In these questions, you have seen that kids, not only with the brain you can do these questions, some data is also required. And all the 10 questions really, which are based on some experimental data as well as application of brain, the inductive effect, hyperconjugation, resonance, all these things, ortho effect. It's now see. Question number 7. Oh, which one is not aromatic when we are going to talk about GOC? And if the concept of aromaticity is not there, that means what is GOC? Backbone of GOC is the aromaticity. See, apply your brain, everyone. Out of these 4, A, B, C, D, which one is not aromatic? So kids, A, B, C or D? What do you think? Just yes, write down your answer in the comment section, and at the last, tell me how many questions really you have done it correctly. Now see kids, how many pi electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Means 16 pi electrons are there. What do you think? If anyone is having 16 pi electron, that is going to be aromatic or not? Definitely you will say no sir, it is not going to be aromatic. But kids, just remember one code, LCP, HSP. What is this LCP HSP? Kids, we have not to consider this pi electron. Why we have not to consider this pi electron? Because L stands for longest conjugated periphery. L means longest, C conjugated periphery. Which is longest conjugated periphery? This is the longest conjugated periphery. And how many pi electrons are there in this path? In the longest conjugated periphery, there are 14 pi electrons. So out of 16, 14 pi electrons are in LCP, longest conjugated periphery, and which is following Huckel's rule, and this is following Huckel's rule and planarity rule. So this is declared to be aromatic. And same here, this carbon is sp3 hybridized, but we have not to focus on this carbon. we have to see just the longest conjugated periphery. In the longest conjugated periphery, planarity rule is followed, and along with planarity rule, Huckel's rule is also followed. This is also aromatic. Both of them are being aromatic. This is aromatic. This is also being aromatic. And this is pyridine, you know very well. This is the aromatic. Now, this is also aromatic. Only this is left, kids. Now you will say this is having benzene. This is also aromatic. You will think like this only. Kids, once again apply longest conjugated periphery. This is the longest conjugated periphery. And it is having how many pi electron? This is planar. That's why it is LCP, longest conjugated periphery. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pi bond means it is having 8 pi electrons. And this is going to be anti-aromatic, and this is your answer. This is not aromatic. This is actually anti-aromatic. Kids, write down in the comment section that yes, this is the new concept which you have got today. How many students have got this as the new concept? LCP, HSP, H for Huckel's rule, and P for planarity rule. And my name is also HSP. S for either the carbon can be sp hybridized or sp2 hybridized. Both are responsible for being planarity, whether sp or sp2. HSP means me. LCP, HSP. Now, question number 8. Oh, only 2 options are given over there. This is a really mind-blowing question. Out of these 2, you can definitely find out what is the correct answer, kids. Everyone will say that is more acidic because of ortho effect. But remember that here ortho effect is not valid, kids. And this is once again the correct answer in the sequence. This is the only compound here ortho effect is not applicable, or here ortho effect will not work. Now see, kids, should I say this is an exceptional case? Should I say like that? Should I talk like this? That this is an exceptional case? As you have seen the Quota Factory movie, everyone is saying chemistry, number of exceptional cases. Kids, there is not at all even a single exceptional case where you're not able to apply your brain. We used to say, yes, this is exceptional case. See, kids, they are in water. Just see, they are in water, inside water. This is going to donate, and there is fish. Fish is moving like this. Hey, I need water, I need water, I need water. So it will donate its proton, and fish will feel, oh, you are acidic. Now this is going to donate its proton, and water is going to accept this proton. But kids, you know that oxygen of water is having 3.5 electronegativity, and this is having just 3. So this proton will not go to this oxygen. It will come over here only. And the fish which is moving will say, oh, I haven't received any proton, so I'm not feeling acidic. In this case, the proton has gone to water only. This proton has gone to water only, and the fish is feeling acidic. But in this case, NH2 is saying, oh, why you're giving this proton to water? I'm being more basic, means I'm less electronegative. So give your proton to me. And that's why this is known as amino acids. And that's why amino acids form deuterion. You know very well, amino acids. So this is the amino acid. So this is the acidic strength order. Now, Simpson, question number 9. Are you ready, kids? You are getting clean bold. 99% students must be getting clean bold. Kids, don't forget to write in the comment section, because I brought these 10 questions. You see how much homework I must have done, kids. At least appreciate and smash the like buttons. Then only I am going to give you once again. If you're liking these questions, do let me know by writing in the comment section, kids. Okay, and this is the way, and that's why if you're belonging to Avengers batch, if you're the students of NEET Energized batch or JEE Energized batch, you will be able to solve these questions, because this is the way your HSP Baba is going to teach. And I must have taught over there the students, those who have studied from me and they are having the things in their brain, they will be able to do it. Otherwise, 99.9%, if you have not studied from HSP Baba, then you are going to get clean board. Do write down in the comment section. Okay. Now, question number 9. Which one is more acidic? Oh, really? Killer question. Do let me know by writing. Your answer must be, I think, that one. But the correct answer is this one. See why. Kids, this CH3 is over here and these NO2s are over there. Now you must be saying that, sir, this is at para and it will apply its minus M. Kids, minus M is not applicable. What is this, sir? Why minus M is not applicable? Kids, let me tell you. These two bigger groups, they will make NO2 to go out of plane. NO2, 3 atoms are bigger, and due to steric hindrance, there is ortho effect. There is ortho effect. Now you will say, sir, you told us in phenol there is no ortho effect. In phenol there is no ortho effect. With respect to NO2, there is ortho effect, and this is not able to apply its minus M. Only it will apply its minus I, and their minus I is more because they are lying nearer to this. So this is going to be more acidic. Now, the last question, but not the least question. Oh, which one is more stable? So, kids, find out the answer. Let me tell you, this is the answer because of dancing resonance. Those who know dancing resonance, they can easily do this question. Otherwise, those who haven't heard about dancing resonance, they won't be able to do this question. Kids, this is all about 10 most challenging questions. Do let me know in the chat section. Bye to all of you. We'll meet you very soon. Yes, kids. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.